Snake. Paper. Kyle sending a full size lip. Egg bleach. I'm just putting A's all over this water treatment facility because to make it have more scenery, because apparently people would just think putting a bunch of A's on the water treatment facility.
A's? Oh, A's. I see. Yeah.
In these weird African savanna elephants on top of it. Apparently makes it have more scenery. Now it went from 5 to 29.
Oh, wow.
By doing this.
But wait, are those elephants like live elephants? Or are they just
no, they're not live
they're
elephants,
like
they're sculptures.
They're oh, okay.
And also by putting a whole African village on it. Or I guess this whole house. Now somehow it's even more scenery. Now it has 100 scenery.
Huh.
What's its negative impact on guest when it's 100% scenery? Over there. Well, then I can just do this.
Okay.
I just delete these. And then make these weird invisible paths that I can do with these natural paths with curb markers, but turn curbs off. I turned curb on ground path off.
Oh.
Meaning that there are no curbs on any paths. Meaning that the curb paths that mark your terrain with curb markers are like they are invisible whenever you turn off curbs. Wait, but what happens if you turn it on? I think it still stays. The other ones stay, but that one doesn't. So now these ones are actually visible. So that's a visible path, but these ones are still invisible. Also, how do you plug this thing in? With this thing? I thought you could attach things into it.
You want me to plug something else into that?
I thought you could do that. Plug the thing into the plug the cable into that cable thing.
We did that for you mean for what? For the
the computer.
Yeah, we did plug the cable into that.
Then do it.
For what? What more do you want to do?
For the computer. Plug the cable into
like you want to power the computer, you mean?
Yes.
Oh, I'll go get the power. It's over by the couch, because remember you were over here with the power cable. I'll go get it.
So now people are walking on invisible paths. Wait. 31, 32, 36, 34, 35, 36, 91, 97, 100. Come on, get thirsty now. Get thirsty now.
You want the elephant to get thirsty? Whoa, that's a fast-moving elephant. Is it because it's so... Do you have, like, time sped up?
Get thirsty or something. Get thirsty. Inspector. I don't want. Was going to see a protester, which means that it's just any moment now. It's just going to say spot fine 500 spotted protester.
Oh.
If it just drinks, then the last drink cleanliness will go up. Go down there and drink. Drink if you want your happiness to go up. Did you even drink? You didn't drink, you just went in there.
I feel like you probably drank a little bit. But happiness didn't go up? I know somebody need drink. Now you drink. No, your happiness is up too. Somehow it didn't spot any of the what protesters. 4 stars. Seen Zubrali. Going to see Fabio. Seen Fabio. Habitat 1 was Donald's artworks. Now Habitat 3 is 5 stars. Seen Fabio. Wait, what? Wait, no. Which habitat is that? Habitat 3. That 1. Then who is that? Zubri. That wasn't our. Then Habitat 2 is what? Darren. Who's Darren? Or Darren? Or. Oh. This guy. Buffalo. What's this weird path? Oh. That path. What? I don't like it. It's another one of those trash bags. What? Just going to begin marketing so that the marketing rating goes up. And now the marketing rating goes up. And the animal rating goes up. Now the animal rating goes up. I don't know why I'm saying stuff like that. I'm going to, what I was saying is, I'm going to begin marketing so that my marketing rating goes up.
So that your what marketing rating goes up?
Marketing.
Oh, okay.
Marketing.
Just marketing. Oh, I got it. Got it. Got it.
Construction. Reward statues. Which one? Timberwolf. Place these.
Those are Timberwolves statues. That is a whoa. What's happening there? Are you making it bigger and bigger and bigger? Or are you piling them up? Oh, it's just piling up and getting closer to you. There's like just a tower of Timberwolves. Whoa. People would come to see that. That's pretty cool.
Oh, I can learn so much stuff. Why? Are you? It's a full welfare. I don't understand how this couldn't fit into this gap. I feel like this animal, this sized animal can definitely fit into this gap if it's this size.
Yeah. It looks like it fits. Why is it frozen? What just blew up there? Like something just exploded. Be right back.
Water jet rock.
Water jet rock.
I just put the microphone in my mouth and apparently it went to red.
Yeah,
Or something.
because yeah. Do you know how a microphone works? There's a
Yes, whenever the audio thing goes to the thing, it like whenever the audio, because it was too close to my mouth, so that it heard the thing,
yeah.
so then it went to red apparently.
Yeah. Well, it has a little vibrating, like almost like the top of this cup. It's like the lid of this cup is like
The top of this cup, it's a little like cup. What?
it's a tiny little cup. See this metal thing? It's almost like this thing is like that metal thing, and it's kind of like
When it's close to something, it just makes it go just like goes to red. Like
Yeah.
it just
because that surface moves up and down. It's like a little balloon that moves up and down when you talk and blow on it. And so if you
there, these water jets can probably cool them down.
excellent, excellent.
Block of ice. Grab ball. Wait, what? How do bowls not work? What? Water jet. Size it. Snowman skittle. Branching tree, pardon me, there's Ambida. Yes! Yes! Yes!
We're at 18 minutes.
Oh!
That went red.
Oh! Oh!
Your viewers are going to be like, ow, my ears hurt. This episode is too loud.
What? Oh, my ears. It would probably sound like or something.
Yeah, that's right. It'd be distorted. We could give a warning at the beginning. You should turn the volume down if you're going to watch this episode because it suddenly gets really loud.
Put these down. Large snowballs. Apparently, they work for African savanna elephants, even though they live in like deserts.
Are those real?
Apparently, they can play with snowballs.
They're real snow? Or are they just sculptures?
Obviously, they're not real snow. It's a game.
I know, but in the game, is it meant to be a real?
Yes.
It's real snow. Okay. Cool. It's snow that doesn't melt, though. Does your throat hurt, Avery? Do you want a lozenge?
After I'm done recording.
Yeah. It's hard to talk with a lozenge in your mouth.
It's scorching out here. Well, I guess why would you visit a zoo in the desert? If like why would you even visit it? How did 748 people visit a desert zoo?
Are you blaming your visitors for coming and then complaining about the heat?
That's aren't like kind of like they're I don't understand why all these people would come to a desert zoo.
Like you're saying they should know it's going to be hot. They shouldn't complain about it being hot because they're in a desert. Well, maybe you could.
I'm going to move this African sculpture mask.
Can't you create cooling centers or cooling stations or something? I know it's meant to be for the animals, but what if you make cooling stations for the visitors?
It does affect them, but you would have to do it like on all the pants because the range is like
It's small.
the range. It's not small. It's actually kind of big, but like you have to put them on like every single one of those. And also, to use the coolers, you also have to adjust them to the right temperature.
Right. Oh, is that a cooler?
I actually have to adjust them to the yellow temperature. If this thing can.
So right now, does that show you what the current temperature is and what it's?
Also, you can put down heaters and make them function like coolers. It doesn't actually matter which one you do.
Oh, okay. Heaters can cool too.
You go into heaters, there's the heater, and then you go here, and then
Let's crank.
I go.
Current
You can
temperature.
make that go to super cold,
Current.
-20 degrees
Whoa.
with a heater.
The current temperature is 38 degrees, and you're gonna make it -20 right by the heater. None of that makes any sense.
I think it takes way longer with a heater, though.
Oh, I see.
It's basically like not adjusting. It takes so long for it to work with a heater, but I think it does still work.
Oh.
Notification timeline. Funding due to overcrowding at Aardvark.
Uh-oh.
A freak and wild the dog has arrived at the zoo. That! I have this blueprint of an African. Where's. I have a blueprint of an African wild. Wait, where's it? Where's the African dog? Oh, there. African dog habitat. I can put it like over here. No, I can't. Obstructed by what? What is this? Obstructed by. It's not even obstructed by anything. I mean, obstructed. There's nothing even here to obstruct it. What does this reach the end of the world? I think it does, but what? Oh, I can move it up somehow. Oh. It just pastes terrain down. It just pastes terrain. Bird nest. Bird nest. Bird nest. Bird nest. Stop recording.